Hi everyone, welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here I have a Breville Espresso machine, and it was brought in because it was leaking from the bottom and no water was passing through the brew group. And so what we found is that the filter that runs in between the water reservoir and the pump was clogged, thus making the pump run dry and causing a fault. So we replaced both the filter and the pump. It's working now, and we're going to test it. There we go. Brew pressure. There we go. Looking good. It appears our grind may be a bit fine for this machine, but regardless, it's functioning fine. There, it's gonna stop at about 1 ounce. Alrighty, let's do some hot water. Excellent, now some steam. It'll purge first, the water. The steam will follow.
Yeah. My favorite pizza in the world.
They said you can have the drizzle, the Barista, or whatever.
He was very polite about it.
I'm sure he was. Sure he didn't use the word scraps.
Now scraps is too lowbrow a word for Sam, I imagine. You can hear the pump kicking on, and you can see the steam pressure increasing with time.
Oh, thanks.
Alright, looking good. Alright, there you have it. Breville working once again. Thanks for tuning in to Kanen Coffee. Please like our videos, and if you like our videos, please subscribe to our channel.